Hi, in this Blender tutorial, I'll demonstrate you that how we can solve some CAD import issues in Blender. So let's get into it. Here's a new file. I press A and press delete, and then I just go to the units and change metric to imperial because I want to import a feet inches file in Blender. So I just pressing 7 on the numpad to go to the top view. Now I want to import the file, so I go to file, import, and go to AutoCAD DXF. If you don't find this, go to the reference and under the add-on section just search DXF and you can enable the add-on and just save your preferences. Okay, now we go to the file, import AutoCAD DXF and import the file. Now when you see the file, you can see that it's get weirdly disturbed and corrupted, like every block is rotated, every arc converted into a circle, and it's just weird. So and the scale of the drawing is wrong, like it's way too big. So the problem that weird block rotating and converting into arcs is solved by in the AutoCAD, because the problem in the AutoCAD file. So to solve this problem, we have to go to CAD file. You can see that the initial drawing which we import is very clear and very straightforward and nice. So just select what you want to import, press Ctrl C and create a new file in AutoCAD. You can Ctrl V, paste your drawing here, and to move it on the origin, I'm just moving it to the origin. Okay, you need to know some basic CAD operations for this. Okay, and you can set your units here like decimal to architecture and inches international and press OK, and we can save our file like, and I recommend save it into a slightly older version of DXF file like AutoCAD 2004 or 7. I'm using AutoCAD 2004 and save this file. Now let's try it. I just select all, press M and move it to a new layer so we can see what is happening and hide it. Now go to file, import AutoCAD file, the drawing number 2 which we recently created, and you can see that our problem is solved, but still the scale is wrong. To scale it right, the problem is that Blender's default unit is in meters and we are importing a feet inches file in Blender, so you have to scale accordingly. To scale it rightly, just press dot on the keyboard, go to the 3D cursor, or you can change it by go to here, so you can scale it on the 3D cursor mix. Okay, press S, press dot 054, or you can get this value by here, like 1 inches is equal to how many meters. So when you press it, the scale of the drawing is accurate. Now you can use your file. You can apply, but it won't work. You have to convert it into mesh, then you can apply the scale and rotation and all that. So that's how you can see that my previous file is like this. I scale it again, 0.0254. You can see that the difference. Okay, that's for all. My name is HarishLohar. Thank you for watching.